Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Nike Vomero 5 Photon Dust. So just a little insight about the shoe. The shoe came out February 22nd of this year and it was $160 and this was a women's release. I normally have sized down to 6.5, but I got a 7 in these because this is my first pair of Nike Vomero 5 and I just want to be safe. So let's get into it. You know we have our regular Nike box. And right here, it just says Nike Vomero 5, Photon Dust, Chrome, Gridiron, and 7.5, and then 5.5 in there. So, let's get into it. So, let's get into the shoe. The majority of our shoe is a mesh shoe, so the mesh is going around the whole thing. I want to start with like around our toe box and our toe cap. Our toe box has a leather mud guard going around the front, and we have these 3M stripes, which really, like, I didn't know that the 3M stripes like are reflective, so if you're running or anything at night, people will be able to see you. We also have mesh right here on our toe box. Our eyelids, they it's a two-tone. Like we have silver metallic, like the synthetic leather and the metallic color, and then we also have eyelids, like our eyelids are on the cage unit right here. So like I keep saying, our shoe is majority mesh, so our tongue is mesh as well, which brings us to the tongue, like the top of the tongue or whatever. It is a Vomero 5, and we just have cream, like a cream off-white lace, which I like this color. We have rubber side, like cage mid panels, and I can see the mesh underneath, and I can see like little holes, so this shoe is very airy. It's also very lightweight as I hold it. Then we get to our swoosh, which is so cute. It's just this metallic color, and y'all, this shoe has so many details, but not really details. So then our midsole is this cream color. We also have the Nike Zoom midsole right here in black. Then our outsole is a traction. We have a lot of traction on the bottom, and it's just black and cream color. And also our heel. So our heel right here is like plastic. And then we also have on the heel tab the Nike swoosh. And then we have the 3M again on the back, which makes it more reflective. And then the lining of our shoe is just like a white. It's white. And then the insole of our shoe just says Bowerman Series and it's black. Yeah. Pretty simple breakdown. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and, like always, put my shoe on and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so this is literally them on my foot. Like I said, they feel so like lightweight. Like I really don't think I have on a shoe. And I like that they look a lot smaller, because when I was holding them in my hand, it was giving Bigfoot. And I didn't like that. But yeah, this is my favorite part of the shoe. All the metallic leather, all the metallic synthetic overlays. Really nice. Look. And look. And like I said, here's the heel cup. It's plastic and everything. I really like how they look on foot, and I definitely like that the silver, like the silver color is very, it's like a neutral color. I like how they look on my foot a lot, and I like this silver. The silver to me is like a neutral color. I could see myself wearing this shoe with a lot of stuff. Like I can dress it up and dress it down, so I'm excited for that. So I really like this shoe. I've been having my eye on the Vomero 5 silhouette for a couple months now, because I just want to expand my palette when it comes to shoes, and I know I've said that before in my videos. So I'm very happy with this purchase, and 160 is not bad, and like there are so many other colorways that are 5 that I think that anybody could really find a way to love this shoe. I really like these shoes, and I do see myself collecting more Vomero 5. I see myself just diving into that silhouette of that shoe and just exploring the colorways, and it would be cool if Nike ID allows you to customize your own Nike Vomero 5 Nike. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on social media. My TikTok is Daesiaxo and my Instagram is Daesiaxo. Thank you so much.